Superheat is the world's most advanced on-site heat treatment provider, servicing the global energy, oil, gas and chemical markets. We've harnessed decades of experience and direct client feedback to develop the preeminent full-service process, Superheat SmartWay. Our SmartWay method combines emerging electrical resistance and induction heating technology with innovative software solutions to produce the most efficient and safe on-site heat treatment solution on the market. You can rest assured your project will be dealing with the best equipment and operating practices in the on-site heat treatment industry. Better, safer, faster. Our SmartWay process improves quality, minimizes risks, saves time and reduces cost. Superheat, advancing heat treatment for the digital marketplace.